Two birds, one stone. One move, two cards. Whatever. In this video, I'm gonna teach you a super simple and easy magic trick with no setup that you can find two cards with just one move. It's a quick trick you can perform for your friends, and all you need is just a normal deck of cards and zero practice, no setup, and it's a very good trick. You can find two cards with just one move. Let's get into it. Hi everyone, I'm Parsa and I'm a magician for a few years and I have about 200,000 followers on Instagram, but I'm new on YouTube and in English language, as you know. First, ask your spectator to say stop. For example, here, shuffle these cards, and when he's happy, for example, now, memorize the top card. Put it back on the top of the deck. Now let's pick the second card. Ask him to say stop. For example, here, memorize that card, and I stack up the cards. Now you have to shuffle the deck. Just like that. And a riffle shuffle. Now, the cards are completely mixed, but you can find both cards with just one move. Exactly, his cards. How is it possible? I hope you enjoyed the performance. Now, let's get into the tutorial. But before that, if you enjoyed this trick, you are probably like me and the others in the community that love magic. So, hit the subscribe button and join us. And don't miss the other tutorials. He says a stop. Shuffle these cards and memorize the top card. Now, put it back on the top and let's pick the other card. And you have to count the cards that come on the spectator's card. 3, 4, 5. Deal the cards slowly. 6, 7, for example here. Memorizes this card and you stack up the cards like this. Now his cards are together. Now do a false shuffle, and then now you have to shuffle the cards like this and count the cards to the same number you memorize. 3, 4, 5, 6, and just like that. Now his cards are on the top. All you have to do is to control his cards, one on the top and one underneath the deck. Now you can shuffle the cards like this, and his cards will still stay on the top and underneath the deck. Again, just like that. It's very easy. Now hold the top and bottom cards with your fingers while tossing the other cards. Just like that. I explain it quickly one more time. First, he says a stop and shuffle these cards, and when he's happy, memorizes the top card, just like that, and you have to put it back on the top. So his card is on the top. Now, it's time for the second card. Count the cards like this and ask him to say stop. Do it slowly and count the cards that land on the on his card. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For example, here, 5. Now, show him this card and stack up the cards like this. Now, his cards are together. Now, do a false shuffle or a false cut, and you have to shuffle the cards like this and count the cards to the same number you memorized. 2, 3, 4, 5, and just like that, his cards are on the top. Now, you have to control his cards, one on the top and one underneath the deck. Just like that, one on the top and one underneath. And you can shuffle the cards like this. Now his cards are still on the top and underneath the deck. Again. Just like that. And a riffle shuffle that keeps his cards on the top and underneath the deck. Now, you are done. All you have to do is to hold the top card and the bottom card while tossing the rest of the deck. just like that. Quickly. Okay, again. It's very easy. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching, and if you learned this trick, like this video. If you want to learn how to make a gun out of a deck of cards and shoot your spectator randomly selected card right like this, watch this video in my channel. It's the full performance and full tutorial of this trick that you can make a gun out of a deck of cards and shoot your spectator's card. It's a very visual trick. Make sure you watch it.